Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about RoMon, which stands for Router Management Overlay Network. And this works by establishing an independent MAC layer peer discovery and data forwarding network. I could read this whole page to you, but instead I'm just going to make sure you get this link here in my description, and you can go through and read all of the nitty gritty about this. But basically, what this does is this allows us a layer 2 connectivity via a remote connection into a RoMon agent on the primary router. So a scenario would be we have two or three routers that are just extending the layer 2 network. Say they're just wireless access points in somebody's home, and they're all connected back to the primary router. And we want to be able to Winbox into all of them via their MAC addresses instead of setting up port forwards and IP addresses and la-di-da. So basically, RoMon is going to do that for us. So to get this done, what we have to do is go into our primary router. And in my case, I do have a local address, I know, but this is my simulation. So we're just going to pretend that this is my routable IP from the world. And so I'm going to connect into this, and the first thing that we need to do is go into Tools, RoMon, and we need to enable this. So we're going to enable it. You can manually set an ID, or it can be set up automatically. Secrets are it's not necessarily a password, but if you set a secret, then all other routers that are going to be connected to your RoMon network have to use the same secret. So in this case, we're just going to put in test. And that's really all I have to do on this device. So I'm going to apply it. And now I do need to go in and look at my neighbors list. And you can see on my Ether 3, I do have another MIkrotik router. This router happens to be default with no configuration. So I'm just going to MAC telnet into this. And we're going to do the same thing. So we go back to our example page here, and it shows us in the command line, where did it go? There it is. Tools, RoMon, set, enable yes, secrets, testing. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, even though it's not exactly mine. I'm pretty sure I just did test. So tool, RoMon, set, enable equal yes, secrets equal test. So we're going to turn that on. And now, if I exit out, and then I relaunch my Winbox, this time instead of hitting connect, I'm going to click on connect to RoMon. So I am now connected. See, I have disconnect from RoMon. And in my RoMon neighbors, I now have this device, which also does not have a password. So I can now just connect to via the MAC address. I'm going to connect. And I am now in Winbox in that extended layer 2 router. There's probably many uses for this outside of just a very small example that we're going over here. Of course, you can set up IP addresses and port forwards. However you want to manage those extended networks is entirely up to you. This just seems like a fairly useful tool. Very simple to set up, and you may find it useful, you may not find it useful. However, I made this video just so that if anybody who needed to learn how to set that up could see just how easy it is to do. There is a small caveat to using the RoMon agent. If you are in a RoMon connection such as this and you reboot the router, but you do not close the Winbox window before the reboot happens, you will get stuck, your Winbox will, that is, get stuck in a RoMon connection mode. And if you do get stuck in that, I do have a video on how to quickly and easily fix that instead of trying to search for a way to do it. I have put a very simple method to get that fixed. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and have a wonderful day.